Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a homemade UPS. Building your own uninterruptible power supply can be a straightforward and rewarding project, offering reliable backup power for your essential electronics. This guide will walk you through the necessary components and simple steps to create a system that protects your devices from unexpected power interruptions. Imagine never losing your work or having your router shut down during a brief blackout. Let's get started on securing your power supply today. To begin your homemade UPS project, you will need a few key components. First, a 12-volt battery, like a car battery or a deep cycle battery, will serve as your power reservoir. Next, an inverter is essential. It converts the battery's direct current into the alternating current that your household devices use. You'll also need a battery charger to maintain the battery's charge, ensuring it is always ready. Finally, don't forget a fuse and proper wiring for safe and efficient operation. Assembling your homemade UPS is quite simple. First, connect your battery charger to the positive and negative terminals of your 12-volt battery. Next, carefully attach the inverter's input cables to the corresponding battery terminals, paying close attention to polarity to avoid damage. Once these connections are secure, you can plug your electronic devices directly into the output sockets on the inverter. Remember to double-check all connections for tightness and proper insulation to ensure safe and reliable operation. Safety is paramount when operating any electrical system. Always place your homemade UPS in a well-ventilated area to prevent any potential overheating of components. Make it a habit to regularly check the battery's charge level and inspect all connections for any signs of wear or looseness. It is crucial not to overload your inverter. Always stay within its specified wattage capacity to ensure efficient and safe operation. For added battery longevity, consider incorporating a low-voltage disconnect to prevent deep discharge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.